Freezing pipes can be a common issue during cold weather, and it's important to take preventive measures to avoid potential damage. Follow these tips to help prevent pipes from freezing. Insulate pipes in unheated areas such as basements, attics, and crawl spaces. Seal any cracks or gaps in walls and around windows and doors to prevent cold air from entering and affecting the pipes. Maintain a consistent temperature inside your home, especially during extremely cold weather. Allow faucets to drip slightly to keep water flowing, making it less likely for pipes to freeze. For extremely cold climates, consider adding extra insulation to walls and ceilings. Keep the thermostat on. If you're away, don't turn off the heating system entirely. Never use an open flame or high-temperature devices. By following these guidelines and staying vigilant during cold weather, you can protect your plumbing system and enjoy a winter season free from the worries of frozen pipes.